Hey guys, Mr. Black here. I wanted to go over the example problem from today's practice for acceleration. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing we need to do, I've got the guess method already set up here for you guys. So first thing we need is to find the givens. So in the problem, we've got while traveling along a highway, a driver's slows from 24 meters per second to 15 meters per second in 12 seconds. What is the automobile's acceleration? So what we have given to us is the two velocities. So we've got 24 meters per second and 15 meters per second. 24 meters per second is its initial velocity, right? Because that's where it the first it gave us, it slows from 24 to 15. So we've got initial velocity is 24 meters per second. And then we've got our final velocity was 15 meters per second. And then we're also given time, which is 12 seconds. 12 seconds. Okay, so now we have all of our givens. Next, we need to figure out what the unknown is. So it's asking us what is the automobile's acceleration. So that means we know that the acceleration is what we're looking for. So we'll put a question mark there for acceleration. The equation that we're going to use, we'll go up here and look. So I gave you a hint, but these three equations below the first one are just manipulations of this same exact equation. So it's just different ways to try and find the different variables. So you just it's just to help you guys out, really. So this first one is the one that we're going to use because we're looking for acceleration. So we'll go ahead and plug that one in. So we've got acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity divided by time. So we've got the equation. So we're going to go ahead and substitute this. We don't know what A is, but we do know that the final velocity is 15 meters per second. And we know that the initial velocity was 24 meters per second. And we know that the time was 12 seconds. So the time was 12 seconds. Plug that in down here. Like that. Right, so we'll plug this into a calculator. What I like to do is just type into Google calculator, and then you can just pull it up there. It's quick and easy. So we've got our numbers are 15 minus 24 divided by 12. So we'll do 15 minus 24 gives us negative 9 divided by 12. That's going to give us an answer of negative 0.9. So we've got an acceleration of negative 0.75 meters per second squared, because it is acceleration. So we need to make sure that we've got squared on there because it is accelerating. So it's meters per second per second. All right, guys, hopefully that helped. If you have any questions about these, make sure you come to your teacher's office hours. Otherwise, Mr. Black out.